Hello everyone and welcome to Music Academy International. Today Smokey is here, my beautiful dog. Hello everyone, here it's part 4 of the waltz in A minor by Chopin. It's the posthumous for piano and edited by Willard Palmer. You're gonna have the link below attached. Alright, I'm gonna go through the entire piece right now and just stop. This would be our last part that we need to talk about, starting with measure number 49. I will do part, it's the B part, okay? I will repeat, but then the C one, I will not do it, okay? So let's try it. Beautiful. I love it. It's such a little jewelry. It's such a little jewelry. Okay, so we have in here, as you can see, this when I did starting with what it was the repeat here. You know, I was trying to do it differently than on the first page as I played it. So I played it a little bit slower, more melancholic, you know, feeling, you know. You can do opposite. You can play first part a little bit slower and then just pick it out there. I don't know, whatever you like it, but do try to make a difference in between the beginning and the end. I like more to slow down, like, and even more of that, like, and then, and like a little butterfly here. It was so beautiful, my waltz. And I will do it again, over and over. Start slow, the trill. Okay, so you see, it's a lot of air and feelings, you know, like you will exactly tell the story, right? So do practice your left hand. Again, we having these chords, right? And then especially here. Your left hand gotta be very fluid, extremely fluid. So you will not pay attention to your left hand. Mostly you need to pay attention and listen and listen and listen what's happening on the left, on the right hand. So the right hand can tell the story as you are as you are doing it, right? So ta-da-da-da, back down. So don't start the more than too harsh. Now you're gonna go piano, piano, and crescendo, go down, and then start piano. You see? So I'm starting piano. Start slow. And the end. I hope you enjoy my little tutorial about this beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Chopin Waltz in A minor, posthumous for piano. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more tutorials. Thank you so much, and I love you. Please practice. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.